What's up, guys? So a few months ago, a friend of mine sent me a photo, and then he was like, hey, remember you taking this photo? And I'm like, I have no idea. And that's why on the same day itself, I ordered these two. We're gonna talk about it later. So this little bad boys is a disposable camera from Kodak, disposable film camera, and I'm in love with them ever since I bought this. Boss is here. Currently on my way to develop all the films, and as a normal person would do, search best place to develop film, and it leads me to Triple D Film Studio, something like that. And yeah, it's just right in front. That film place was buzzing, man. So many people. Whew. I'm somewhere near Bugis, and I'll be making my way all the way down. Noob Master. Oh. 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 Hey, our master chef here. Here we have ZABUMOORE, master chef of good luck, measuring all the nudes and preparing for the next day. Alright. Talking about film cameras, I got distracted a little bit at work. Yeah, now I'm learning how to make noodles from scratch. Yeah, I really love eating noodles, as you can see just now. So yeah, I want to learn how to make from scratch on my own. So I went down to work on my off day, and yeah, I just started doing noodles. Yeah. So let's talk about these film cameras. So yeah, as I mentioned in the start of the video, my friend was the one who introduced me, Colin. Yeah, he introduced me to this. He sent me a photo of me and another guy a few months back, way back, and then yeah, it's just that kind of feeling, you know, like right now in modern days, it's just like too fast, too like it's just instant, you know. Instagram, just, you know, take now, use your iPhone, take post, take post, take post. And yeah, this film camera just like, I don't know, yeah, it gives you different kind of feeling. So that's one thing I like, kind of like nostalgic feeling. So yeah, these are pretty cheap too. I think this is around $30, and it have like around 37 shots. And another good thing about it is that after you take film, you can't really view the photo, and yeah, like it kind of, you know, brings you back to the old days. And yeah, it's just those memories. I'm pretty sure my dad have one of these. Yeah, last time when we go out, he would take a lot of photos of us. So yeah, that was just a refresh of the memory. And last time I used to take some photos, you know, in the park, and those guys will be like selling photos. Hey, in Yangon, I believe, like $100, 100 chats for a photo, and they'll take like a week to develop and all. And it's so cool, right? The film, the camera, I mean the shot, the photo came out to be perfect. The color, the lighting, the placement, and they can't check it. That's just so amazing. So this too is just my startup. I was just playing around. By the time I post this video, I probably have gotten all the photos back. So yeah, I'll put them up along my, you know, talking. So yeah, I'm planning to buy a beginner, a cheaper one. I just want to play around with it. This is, if I'm not wrong, 35mm. So yeah, I just want to play around with that, see how it goes, and yeah, put something into my film collections. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Even though this is an instant noodle, the texture of the noodle is really good, but the sauce is too sweet. Subscribe.